Hello, welcome to Middle Triot, a beautiful cottage, Grade 2 listed with 16th century origins. At 6'4", I can wander through most of it, although it has to be said there is a large beam in the dining room that I would have to duck under. Tricot means cottage between the trees, and as we go through on the tour and out into the garden and the paddock, you'll see why. The village of Sampford Courtenay is about 3/4 of a mile away. Brilliant pub. For those of you who are involved in the history world, 1549 is quite a known date down here with the Cornish uprising against the split of the Roman and Catholic Church, and the Book of Common Prayer being introduced, and Sampford Courtenay was one of the hot seats amongst that. I'd love to show you around. Do come in. So, welcome to Middle Triot, and as you come in, take note of this fine studded front door. So coming in from the reception hall, you enter this magnificent room. In the middle here, major feature being the inlet fireplace. And it's not often you find a fireplace like this with granite upstands. There's a clove oven in the corner. Log burner is out of use currently. You have a window seat. What a brilliant space just to sit and entertain. Big sofas, 6 to 8 people in here quite easily. You find me in the dining room, complete with window seat, a magnificent room. Not often in a cottage you'll find space for entertaining 6 at the moment, but with a refectory table, 10 or 12, and head height wise for myself, absolutely splendid, apart from that beam, and in the corner, a fireplace. So leading off the dining room is this very workable kitchen, stable door, and opening straight into the garden. And imagine sitting there of an evening, al fresco dining with friends, listening to nature all around. Brilliant. So for a cottage, what an amazing sized bedroom. Double aspect, and this one's actually on the ground floor with a very smart bathroom on the opposite side of the reception hall. Something you don't often find, and views down the garden. So this is one of the large bedrooms on the second floor. It's double aspect. You've got lattice windows, head height, and a space for a super king size bed. So you find us in the second bedroom that does lead to the other bedroom you've just seen. A special feature in here is the A-frame roofline here. Not often found inside cottages. Our clients currently use it as a TV room and library. Great place just to chill. So we're in the garden. The Vendels have enhanced what was already here, and there are so many seating areas just to sit and enjoy nature in the background. Have a listen. Dogs, sheep, blackbirds, everything going on. Magical. And I'd like to take you past the pond, through the gates, into the paddock and stables. You find me in the paddock with a small orchard here at the front, and running off down to the end is a wild garden, mature oak trees, Devon banking, and it comes back up the side, past the ash to the stables. Pair of loose boxes, turnout yard, and for here there is a separate access across the farmer's lane to this part, so you don't need to bring any animals through your gardens. So here we're in the vegetable kitchen garden area. There's a greenhouse, raised beds. Behind me, a double garage, potting shed, workbench areas, and just over the cob wall to the front garden at the edge of the cottage you'll find the air source heat pump which was put in by the current clients, and they absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a cottage that offers bags of space, 2 fine reception rooms, dining room with space for 8-10 people, quite easy to sit in, formal gardens, beautifully laid out, paddock, stables, garage, vegetable garden, the list goes on, and want to be surrounded by nature with a village 3/4 of a mile away with an excellent pub, do reach out to me. I'm Adrian from Fine and Country in Great Torrington. 01805 626 999. I'd love to talk to you about this and show you it. It's a wonderful home.